You've just invested in a shiny new pickup truck, ready to tackle everything from weekend adventures to heavy-duty work. But a few months in, the truck starts having issues, unexpected breakdowns, costly repairs, and an overall frustrating experience. Unfortunately, not all pickup trucks are created equal when it comes to reliability, and some models have gained a reputation for being more trouble than they're worth. So, if you're looking to avoid the headache of constant repairs and hefty bills, stick around. In this video, we're revealing the top 7 pickup trucks you should avoid if you want a vehicle that's as dependable as it is powerful. Let's dive in and make sure you're driving something that won't let you down. Number 7. 2001 Toyota Tundra. The Toyota Tundra is generally known for its long-lasting performance, but like any model, it isn't immune to flaws. The 2001 Toyota Tundra, despite its reputation for reliability, had some significant issues that make it a questionable choice for those looking for trouble-free ownership. One of the major problems was with its 4.7-liter V8 engine. This engine was prone to severe oil sludge buildup, which, if not caught early, could lead to catastrophic engine failure. We're talking about repair bills upwards of $5,000 to replace or rebuild the engine. On top of that, the braking system on the 2001 Tundra had issues with warped rotors after only a few thousand miles, making for a very unpleasant driving experience. Number 6. 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. The 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 may have been designed for smooth rides and a luxurious cabin feel, but reliability is another story. Despite offering a surprisingly quiet ride that mimics high-end vehicles, the Sierra 1500 has had its fair share of issues. In fact, it earned a poor reliability score of just 16 out of 100. The most significant complaints come from the transmission and drivetrain. Owners have reported rough shifting, especially in colder weather, or when the truck is carrying even a modest load. These issues don't always get fixed permanently, and repairs can be unpredictable. Additionally, this model has had several recalls and a higher than average maintenance cost. Over 10 years, maintenance costs for the Sierra 1500 are estimated at nearly $1,000, making it a potentially costly investment in the long run. If you're looking for a reliable truck that can handle the demands of daily driving without constantly needing repairs, the 2017 Sierra might not be your best bet. Number 5. 2019 Ford F350. The Ford F350 is a heavy-duty truck built to take on serious towing and hauling tasks, and the 2019 model seemed like it would be no different. Unfortunately, its reliability score of just 4 out of 100 tells a different story. It suffers from significant mechanical issues. Many owners have reported problems with the engine, transmission, electrical systems, and even the body and suspension. These reliability issues are compounded by the truck's high maintenance costs, with yearly repair bills averaging around $1,034 and a total projected maintenance cost of $15,682 over the first 10 years. The 2019 F350 might drain your wallet faster than you'd expect. Plus, with 15 recalls, it's clear that Ford still has some kinks to work out with this model. If you're after a dependable heavy-duty truck, it might be worth exploring other options. Number 4. 2022 Chevrolet Colorado. The Chevrolet Colorado has long been a popular choice in the mid-size pickup truck category, offering a balance of power and efficiency. However, the 2022 Colorado received a reliability score of just 5 out of 100, indicating that it's not the most dependable option on the market. The truck's transmission system has been a common point of failure, with many owners needing to replace or repair it much sooner than expected. Electrical system failures, particularly with the infotainment system, are also a major concern. The system tends to go blank or freeze, which can be frustrating for tech-savvy drivers. Additionally, the truck's body has been known to make unsettling noises, and moisture can easily seep through the seals, leading to rust or water damage. The Colorado's overall poor reliability, coupled with maintenance costs of around $600 per year, makes it less than ideal for those who want a trouble-free driving experience. Number 3. 2021 Ford F-150 Hybrid. As the push toward electric and hybrid vehicles intensifies, Ford's 2021 F-150 Hybrid model was one of the company's flagship trucks for this transition. However, it faced several reliability issues that make it less than ideal for truck buyers. With a disappointing reliability score of 4 out of 100, the hybrid F-150 was plagued by issues with its transmission, driving system, and electrical components. Some owners have reported problems with the truck's body integrity as well, suggesting that the technology used in this hybrid model still hasn't been perfected. Maintenance costs for the 2021 F-150 Hybrid are relatively high, averaging around $780 per year. Over the first decade of ownership, these costs can add up to nearly $11,000. With 18 recalls already under its belt, this truck may need a lot of attention from the shop to stay running smoothly. Number 2. 2015 Dodge Ram 2500. The 2015 Dodge Ram 2500 has long been considered a reliable heavy-duty work truck, but its 11 out of 100 reliability score tells a different story. Despite its rugged diesel engine, which is known for durability, the Ram 2500 suffers from several mechanical issues. The most notable problems include turbocharger failures, transmission clutch issues, and poor body durability. These problems can lead to costly repairs that can easily rack up high maintenance bills. While the truck is built to last under heavy work conditions, its reliability issues are concerning for those looking for a dependable vehicle for both work and recreation. The average yearly maintenance cost is around $972, which can lead to an estimated total of $6,650 over the first 10 years. With 15 recalls, the 2015 Ram 2500 isn't the best choice for buyers looking for a truck that won't constantly need attention from the mechanic. Number 1. 2020 Jeep Gladiator. The 2020 Jeep Gladiator, a rugged off-road truck, might look appealing to adventurous drivers. However, when it comes to reliability, this truck falls short. With a dismal reliability score of just 15 out of 100, the Gladiator has had its fair share of problems. Owners have reported issues with the truck's engine, driving system, and electrical components. The suspension system has also been a weak point, affecting the overall ride quality. The Gladiator's maintenance costs are not exactly budget-friendly, averaging around $634 per year. Over the course of 10 years, these costs can easily surpass $2,400. Additionally, the Gladiator has been recalled 6 times, further emphasizing its reliability problems. While it shines in off-road capability, the Gladiator is far from a dependable daily driver. If you're in the market for a new truck, make sure to avoid these 7 models to ensure you're getting a vehicle that will stand the test of time. From engine issues to transmission problems, these trucks have been known for their frequent breakdowns and high maintenance costs. By doing your research and considering more reliable alternatives, you can avoid spending unnecessary money on repairs and enjoy a stress-free driving experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.